is what it sounds like when they're fighting spot fires from a nearby fire right on your area. When you're in the forest, you can't see or hear anything. Just a helicopter coming to and from. Not good when they're ferrying water that close. Then you hear the sound of smoke jumpers and the distant sounds of chainsaws in the distance. It's crazy. It's crazy. Here's where they landed. There's some smoke jumper stuff. That is nuts. They're back over here fighting the fire. What's left of it anyway.
You guys are good and safe.
I do a little bit of vlogging, so.
Nice. Engine here from BNRC, and there's an engine here that's on a severity assignment to our unit, to the Missoula unit from Columbus, Montana.
Oh, awesome.
So, two engines in a helicopter.
Yeah, I saw a bunch of supplies down with the tether for the helicopter.
Yeah.
So I'm sure they dropped everything right by our house.
Yes, yeah. Yeah, I came in at
pretty
your
scary.
neighbors, obviously.
Yeah. So this is a neighbor's property, isn't it? This is Barbara, I think.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, I think Barbara's property. Okay.
So that's how we came in. It
Okay.
just, but you know, because they could see it from the air.
Yep.
We're
No,
coming from the
no,
ground.
we saw you guys getting water down at the other neighbors in one of their ponds down there, and I guess that's dry already, so they went further to get more water.
Oh, gotcha.
That's scary.
Yeah. Well, we caught it really early. An aircraft called it in. You know, probably just a passenger airplane.
Wow.
So we got on it. You know, probably within 30 minutes, the helicopter was here
Awesome.
from when they called in the smoke report.
Yeah.
So,
Well, that's great. You guys are amazing.
hey, call the governor and tell him we did a great job.
I will do. Have a good one. Thank you.